How's it going, everybody? King Ralph here, and I'm gonna make a quick video. A couple of friends of mine wanted me to make a video about this and how I did this. So if you want to learn how to do this,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
it's very simple and easy. So if you want to learn how to figure that out, stick around. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Alrighty guys, so what you're going to want to start off with is make sure you have a Stream Deck. So you can actually just find those online on Amazon easily. I'll put all the links down below, all the stuff that I use. So if you want, you can actually just record your own. For example, this is my brother. I just recorded him saying something on my OBS. I just hit record. He said it. I stopped recording basically. And what you're gonna want to do is go to your Stream Deck, and you're gonna want to open up your Stream Deck, and on your Stream Deck you're gonna go to Soundboard, click Soundboard, and then hit Play Audio. Drag that over to one of the slots, and then once you drag it over to one of the slots on your file, you can name it if you want, but on your file you're gonna go and look for the file that you recorded basically on your, so for example I recorded him saying Shmee, so I go to my stream, and I have a whole bunch of different recordings. Let's see if I can find it. Let's say it's that one, which I don't think it is. It might be me saying something else. But you go and you put it on there, and then it should work. So you're gonna be able to hear it on your PC just because you have your mixer and everything set up. What you're gonna want to do is get yourself either a 3.5 millimeter jack or 3.5 millimeter jack, and then to a dual 6.3 millimeter mono stereo, which are really big. They look like this. So you can either use that cable, or you can use a 3.5 to 2 male RCA adapter cables. You can look for those online, also linking down in the description. You can either get either one of those as long as your mixer supports it. The one I use is a Yamaha MG10XU, so you're definitely gonna want some kind of mixer. So what you're gonna want to do is connect your aux cable into any monitor that has an aux cable. The one I have, the monitor that I use, is actually a TV. It's an extra monitor that I use it's a TV that I use as a monitor. What you're gonna want to do is connect the aux cable to that. Make sure on your TV, which I have it, I'm not sure about how to change the volume on a regular monitor, but on my TV I can set the volume all the way up, which is what you want, to make sure that the volume's all the way up, because the sound is coming from the headphone jack or the aux cable. And you connect the aux cable to the TV, and then you're gonna connect dual 6.35 millimeter jacks into your mixer, which of course they're color coded. So red means right and white means left. You're gonna want to connect it into one of these lines. At least on mine, my Yamaha has certain different lines. You're gonna want to make sure that on your mixer you have the volume up so you can be able to hear it. If you cannot hear it right away, it's because you have to set up your sound settings. So what you're gonna want to do is go to your speaker down here at the bottom, go to open sound settings, and go to apps, volumes, devices, excuse me. And on here, which is not showing, there it is. On here, it says Stream Deck, and all these are going to be default because they're going to be going to wherever sound you have. You're going to want to change the Stream Deck to your monitor, one of the monitors that you have, which mine is a TV, and I select that one as my Stream Deck to set the sounds out to. If you cannot still hear it, you're gonna want to go back into your sound control panels, and then you're gonna want to disable your monitor and then re-able your monitor. Make sure you have this up whenever you check to see if it works on your Stream Deck. So after that, you should be able to hear it, and your friends should be able to hear it, because it is basically coming in from the PC into your TV, your monitor, and then out to your mixer, and then out through your headphone or through your microphone. That's the reason why they can be able to hear your memes and basically hear all this other different stuff that you set up. But I hope this helped. If you guys have any questions or any comments down below, please let me know. If you want me to make a video about setting up memes that pop up on your OBS so that your stream can see it, I'm willing to make one of those. Just comment down below, let me know. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, everybody. Peace.